This is my video for those who are opposing the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Who was the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? The greatest
Mujahid was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abid
who ever worshipped
Allah Jalla Shanuhu was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatest father was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
the great
Husband was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Son sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatest lawyer was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatest society maker was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatest prophet to ever come to the earth was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatest messenger to ever receive revelation was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The greatest creation to ever Allah created was Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was not only a man. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the Superman of the world. So, who are opposing the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I request to you, please learn the biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I hope you can understand from the biography of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam how was he.